Welcome back to Grime Time with Rudy. Real quick video this week as I anxiously await for the Buffalo Bills to play the Baltimore Ravens. Go Bills. All right, enough of my political announcements. Our collection of 3 Porsches includes a 2006 Cayenne S that I daily. A couple weeks ago, the passenger side mirror fell out. The lens had fallen off, but luckily it happened in the driveway and didn't break, so I tried to use Gorilla Glue to put it back in. And that worked for about a year. As soon as the weather got cold here, unfortunately, we were driving along and it fell out. Went ahead and ordered the part online. It was about a $100 part for just the mirror. You don't need to buy the whole housing. Now what I'm going to do is take you through what it takes to put that in. It's actually quite a quick install. So here I am showing off the mirror, and you see the backing plate with the various clips. There's 2 spring-loaded clips. And that's the 2 wires that for the heating element. So I'm taking out the old section here. You can see the Gorilla Glue I used. There's 2 wires, a brown and a white wire. You have to disconnect those for the heating element to defrost it. Pretty simple affair here. And I'm just reconnecting the 2 wires that go in the proper location. And now I just form fit it in there once I make sure the wires are okay. It's just literally a press fit and ensuring all the locking tabs are in place correctly. You can see I'm just kind of fumbling around with it, but once I got it in there, it just snapped right in and everything was good. All right, the sound didn't turn out on this, but what I'm doing here is just showing the mirror moving in and out. And then I'm just showing some direction here to make sure the clipped in mirror is working fine. As you can see, it's got plenty of clearance because I did align it properly. And finally, I'm shifting into reverse, and this is the reverse mode where it goes in and then down to show what's going on. So, quick project. If you're enjoying these Porsche-related videos, please hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this particular one, press like. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe, and we'll see you soon.